Ever felt like you're standing at the edge of a gold mine, but all you have is a plastic spoon? Well, welcome to the world of crypto, where digital gold is real, but the tools to mine it are still evolving. And today we're talking about two of these tools, mining and staking, and we'll also help you understand which one can turn your plastic spoon into a power drill. The basics. Let's start with understanding the basics of cryptocurrencies. I mean, what they are and why they're such a big deal? Cryptocurrencies, as the name suggests, are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. And cryptography is a method of protecting information by transforming it into an unreadable format. Only those who possess a secret key can decipher or, decode it. So when we talk about cryptocurrencies, we're talking about digital money that's super secure thanks to this cryptography. Crypto has become an integral part of the financial landscape, offering a new way of conducting transactions and investing. In 2024, there are more than 4,000 cryptocurrencies in existence. That's more than the number of languages spoken around the world. And did you know the total market cap of all cryptocurrencies is over $2 trillion? To put that into perspective, that's more than the GDP of Italy, one of the world's top 10 economies. Whoa! So there's a lot of potential. One of the main reasons why cryptocurrencies are so popular is, of course, decentralization. This means that they are not controlled by any government or authority. Imagine being able to send money to anyone in the world without having to go through a bank or pay hefty transaction fees. Cryptocurrencies also offer the potential for anonymity. While all cryptocurrency transactions are recorded on the blockchain, the identities of the people involved in the transactions are not always public. Another reason is the potential for high returns. If you had invested just $100 in Bitcoin back in 2010, your investment would be worth millions today. So yeah, that's pretty much the basics. But a question naturally arises here. How are these cryptocurrencies created and managed? That's where mining and staking come into play. Crypto mining, let's start with mining. It's the process by which new units of a cryptocurrency are created, and it also involves verifying transactions and adding them to the blockchain. Think of it as the beating heart that keeps the body of the cryptocurrency functioning. Just like mining for gold, you're digging for something valuable. Instead of physical digging, you're using computational power to solve complex mathematical problems. It's a race, and the first one to solve the problem gets the reward. But man, why do people even bother mining cryptocurrency in the first place? Well, of course, there's the potential for profit. When you mine a block, you get rewarded with a certain amount of cryptocurrency. Secondly, mining helps to secure the overall network. By verifying transactions and adding them to the blockchain, miners prevent fraud and double spending. Mining also contributes to the creation of new coins. Unlike traditional currencies, which are issued by central banks, cryptocurrencies are limited in supply. Like Bitcoin has a cap of 21 million coins. Mining is the process that brings these coins into circulation. In the early days of Bitcoin, mining was a lot simpler. The network was small and the difficulty level was low. Did you know the first block of Bitcoin was known as the Genesis block? It was mined by none other than mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto in 2009. Back then, anyone with a decent home computer could participate in mining. Over the years, the process of mining has evolved and become more complex. This is due to the concept of mining difficulty. As more miners join the network, the difficulty of the mathematical problems increases. This is to ensure that new blocks are added to the blockchain approximately every 10 minutes. So in a nutshell, as the difficulty increases, so does the computational power required to mine Bitcoins. This means that the cost of mining also increases. You need more powerful hardware, which costs more money, and you also need to spend more on electricity costs. As a result, mining has become a sort of arms race. Miners are constantly trying to get their hands on the latest and greatest hardware to stay ahead of the competition. Some miners even join mining pools, where they combine their computational power to solve mathematical problems faster and share the rewards. Interestingly, there's another way to earn cryptocurrency that doesn't involve solving complex mathematical problems or investing in expensive hardware. Crypto staking, yes, crypto staking. It's a process in which cryptocurrency holders can earn rewards for holding and participating in the validation of transactions on a proof of stake, or just POS in short, blockchain. Instead of miners competing to solve complex mathematical problems, in POS, the creator of a new block is chosen in a deterministic way, depending on their wealth, also defined as stake. Now, staking involves holding a certain amount of a cryptocurrency in a wallet to support the operations of a blockchain network. Kind of like being a silent partner in a business, but without the awkward holiday parties. You sit back, enjoying your daily life, and not being actively involved in the daily operations of staking, but you're still reaping the benefits. One of the main reasons staking is becoming so popular is that it allows users to earn rewards without the need for specialized hardware, or, any high levels of energy consumption, as is the case with mining on a POW blockchain. Just like mining, there's potential for high returns. The amount of rewards earned by a staker is proportional to the amount of cryptocurrency they hold and the length of time they hold it. This means that the more crypto you hold, the higher your potential rewards. So you can say staking can be a way to earn passive income from your crypto holdings. Mining versus staking. All right, now that we understand what mining and staking are, let's compare the two. Both methods serve the same purpose: to validate transactions and secure the network. Both involve participants who are rewarded for their efforts, and they both contribute to the creation of new coins. When it comes to the differences, there are quite a few. First of all, mining is way more energy intensive than staking. Staking, on the other hand, involves holding tokens, which uses less energy and is a more straightforward process than mining. Another difference is the barrier to entry. Mining requires specialized hardware, which can be expensive. Staking, on the other hand, only requires you to hold a certain amount of a particular cryptocurrency. This makes staking more accessible to the average person. A miner's reward depends on their physical effort. A staker's reward depends on their patience. Now wait, the choice between mining and staking isn't just about profits, energy consumption, or even barriers to entry. It's also about your personal beliefs and, let's say, values. But if we take a bold claim here, staking could be your best bet. Getting started as beginners. If you're a beginner and believe in the potential of POS, then go for it. The total value locked in staking is estimated to be over $40 billion. That's a lot of people trusting with their investment. To get started with staking, you'll need a certain amount of a particular cryptocurrency. This is because staking involves holding tokens in a wallet to support the operations of a blockchain network. Kind of like buying a share in a company, the more shares you own, the bigger your potential dividends. You'll also need a digital wallet where you can securely store, send and receive cryptocurrencies. A digital version of your physical wallet, but with added security features. We've made a whole video for beginners on this topic, so if you are interested and would like to know more about staking, we suggest you watch our video on what is staking. We'll drop the link in the description and comments. All right, let's say you're interested in mining and you believe in the ethos of decentralization and want to contribute to the security of a cryptocurrency network. To get started with mining, you'll need a computer with a powerful graphics card. This is because, like we said earlier, mining involves solving a lot of complex mathematical problems, and a powerful graphics card can help speed up this process. You don't want to keep waiting, huh? All right, next, you'll need a stable internet connection as mining involves constantly downloading and uploading data. Just like when you try to watch a movie online, the faster your internet connection, the less buffering you'll experience. Finally, you'll need mining software. This is the program that will actually do the mining for you. Some popular ones include CGM Miner, Awesome Miner, Multi-Miner, PFJOR Miner, Eco S, Nice Hash, Cryptex, BTCM Miner. Are there any risks? Keep in mind both mining and staking involve risks. With mining, you've got the risk of hardware failure, electricity costs, and even the possibility that the value of the cryptocurrency you're mining could fall. With staking, you've got the risk that the value of the cryptocurrency you're staking could fall. And there's also the lockup period to consider. If you don't know, this is the period of time during which you just cannot sell or even move your staked tokens. We always say in our videos that before you go and dive all into this exciting world, do your own research and consider your circumstances and even the risk tolerance. You might be surprised to learn the interesting concepts and make better decisions. And that's a wrap. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of these concepts and has sparked your interest in the world of crypto. So what are your thoughts? Which method do you currently use, mining or staking? For those who have tried both mining and staking, which method do you prefer and why? Drop your comments below. Before you go, don't forget to check out our recent video on what is staking. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.